Good morning. This is Grandma Freeman. I have made myself a glass of cabbage juice. Cabbage juice, raw cabbage, is very good for the stomach, for the esophagus and the intestine, all of the intestines and all the way. So why I'm doing this is I had or have an ulcer, and this relieves the pain or the inflammation that can happen during the onset of cold. Cabbage also has vitamin C, and I have added the juice from a squeezed fresh lemon and enough water to bring it to a half a cup. That helps it to pulverize, to turn the cabbage into a juice. And also I added a small piece of peeled ginger and one frozen banana broken up. The banana has a substance in it that coats the stomach and soothes it. The cabbage also has a substance in it that coats the stomach and helps to heal it. And ginger is also good for the stomach. It can expel worms. It's known for that. People make hot tea with ginger and honey. And the banana also makes this drink palatable enough, because raw cabbage doesn't taste good when it's juiced. And I haven't had it with ginger yet, but I always use a lemon juice, not just plain water. But the lemon juice gives it a good flavor, and it helps to prevent and cure colds and the cold virus. So I'm going to pour this into a glass and put a straw in it and enjoy it as much as I can. It's bitter. The cabbage is bitter and kind of peppery, and the ginger is peppery. So this should be good. I've had it before, and it does work. And anyway, please like and subscribe and enjoy the rest of this beautiful day. Bye now.